Hi guys, so here we've got a quick video update of Max, and we've got a slightly different setup now because it goes out for walks and we get very muddy. So we use this spraying portable washing system. You basically pump it, it's got warm water in it, and we put some of his shampoo mixed in there as well, and we give him a quick spritz down and gets rid of all the big muddy pieces. It's not a proper wash, but it's like an interim wash, especially when he's outdoors, because you can keep this in your boot and just give him a quick rinse off to get rid of any of nasties if he's been swimming around in water. And it's quite a handy thing to see, so we'll show you how we do this. And we normally rinse him off with water afterwards to get rid of the soap, but yeah, it's a quick tip to actually get a dog clean portably, and there's enough power there to give him a good clean, to be fair.